Hey, this is Billy Hawley at South Point Roofing and Construction. We're in Aiken today doing some replacement windows. We'll walk over here, I'll show you what the windows looked like before we took them out. These were the old wood windows, single pane, had the glazing in them. Very, very inefficient. What we've done is we've popped off the trim coil on these windows, and then we removed the old windows. There's a wood stop that these windows butt up against. We put in these Ply-Gem windows. They're a double pane insulated window, and we'll come back a little bit later on and I'll show you what they look like after we put our metal trim coil over there to finish them off on the outside. On the inside, we'll go in there and we'll look at what we do there, which is just caulk up around there where the window actually butts up to the wood stop. On the interior of the window, we don't really have to do anything with any casing or anything like that. All right, so we'll go inside, like I said, all we got to do is caulk the inside of the window to the wood stop that we took it out. So if you can get a good close-up in right here, see this gap? See that gap between the window and the wood seal? That's all that we got to do on the inside. So we were able to take this old wood window out and replace it with the new vinyl windows, double pane insulated, and not mess up any of the interior woodwork. Be able to butt it up to here and caulk this in. So John will show you how to go ahead and get that caulked up.
Just get it hooked up.